Today we're going to have a look at the current state of the PR for the Haystack Pinecone document store, and we're going to try and work through and maybe solve all of the issues, although I tend to be quite optimistic, so maybe that's not going to be realistic. But we're going to give it a go, and we're going to go through and try and figure out what we need to do to actually merge this into the Haystack library. So we'll just scroll down, and so I have Bogdan, who has given a lot of feedback on this. And the first thing, or okay, not the first thing, because I need to figure this out as well, is making sure the typing is compliant with MyPy. I mean, for most of it, I was just taking methods from other parts of the framework. So I'm not sure if there's been some updates since I started doing that, so my types are just kind of out of date, or if it's some other types I've kind of put in there, not realized they were different. I'm not sure. So we'll figure that out later, it's fine. So one big one is to make use of the filter utils for converting the filters. At the moment, it's just a method inside the document store called, I think, build filter clause, because this handles converting from haystack syntax of your so haystack filter syntax to pinecone filter syntax. So we need to just solve that. And what are the other things? So it's just a load of these like little ones that we're going to go through. So so vector dim, this is what makes me think I was looking at some older version.